So with cloud war games booting up, I have been talking to more recruiters and they're telling me that there's an epidemic of people cheating on their technical interviews. And so you're probably wondering, where do I stand on that? If you're an employee, you're like, oh, I should have every right to use AI and all that stuff too. I agree that AI is going to be a big part of this field. All right. There's not a chance in the world that I'll continue the way I'm working right now without using AI. I'll be fired within a month. So we're all going to have to learn to use AI. With that said, I'm not an advocate of deception on either side. So as long as you're being upfront with it, I see that perfectly fine. As long as all parties consent to it, great. Now, if the employee is being deceptive or if the employer is being deceptive, that's a bad thing too. So just everybody's got to be honest here with each other. So I was curious. I wanted to see this thing up close and personal. Now, they are charging an arm and a leg and they want you to download and install some stuff. I don't trust these guys that are helping people cheat. They're probably evil and malicious. But it occurred to me, I really want to have someone play cloud war games using a tool like this. So I'm going to find some of my non-tech AWS friends and run them through cloud war games and actively encourage them to, for lack of a better term, cheat and use AI, which I do encourage actually. So if you could solve a $100,000 problem using AI, what's it matter if you know it or not? Interesting problem to solve. Hiring people's getting weird. With that said, I'm Matt with Schematical, and hopefully Cloud War Games will help those that definitely know their stuff show off their skills to potential recruiters, employers, etc. That way you know what you get. You also know if they're a team player too. With that said, I'm Matt with Schematical, and I probably already said that a couple times. Cheers. What are you doing? How are you using AI in your application process? Is this an issue for you? If you're a recruiter, you've encountered this problem in the wild. If you're an employee, is this a leg up for you, or is it a hindrance that other people are doing it? Let me know in the comments. Cheers.